So this is a collection letter. They'll send it out and they'll put a notification on this collection letter. Under the FDCPA, a collection company is required to put this on the collection letter. You have 30 days to respond to this. How do you deal with stuff like this? I'm going to show you. You do not dispute it through the CRAs. That's Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. You do not use Credit Karma. That is junk. That's disputing directly to the CRAs. You have to do a direct dispute to the collection company. So let me show you how that works out. So you go over here, and this is the laws pertaining to it. There's the FCRA, but mainly in this, we approach it mainly a lot with the FDCPA. That is Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. Authorization on this alleged matter. What gives this collection company portfolio the right to collect on this capital account to the consumer? What says that he owes them money or they can collect on that? We always catch them up in that. This is not proof of that whatsoever. And then number two, are they authorized in the state of Texas collect? Like we look at their bond. Companies that try to collect in Texas have to be bonded. We have ways to find out they're bonded. A lot of companies are not bonded. There's almost 99.9% of companies we see never had the first one covered in the first place. Number two is the easy way to catch them up. Here's number three, is statute of limitations. In Texas, they can only legally collect on it for 4 years after it's been charged off from the original charge-off date. So if more companies keep on buying the debt, it doesn't matter when they buy it. It matters when it originally charges off. Another thing that's not smart to do is if they talk, like making a payment to try to restart the clock. So statute of limitations in Texas is 4 years. In Oklahoma, it's 5 years. So they legally can't collect on anymore. These is just an overview I want to give you today to show you that these collection letters, when you don't want to ignore them, but they're real simple to handle and take care of. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the comments. Give us a call if you have any questions. We'll catch you on the next video. Okay, wait, come back. Okay, one more thing out. It's real important. Do not forget this. When you see these collection letters and they have this notification on there, when you dispute this in the 30-day period, they cannot put it on your credit until they validate the debt. Okay, they cannot even put it on your credit. If they do, it's a violation under the FDCPA. We'll catch you tomorrow.